Hi everyone, I am Tofik Ahmed Niloy. Welcome to our Dart programming language tutorial. In this tutorial, we will cover the basic of variables in Dart. So let's dive in and learn about different types of variable and how to use them in Dart. Let's start by understanding what variables are and why they are essential in programming. Variables are like containers that hold data in your program. They allow us to store and manipulate different types of information such as numbers, text, and objects. Now let's start the coding. First of all, we will create a folder to store our programming files. In Dart, we can declare a variable using a keyword called var. So let's start coding. As I have told in previous tutorial that every program start executing from main function. That's why we took here a main function. Let's declare a variable. And now let's run the program. Open your terminal here and run the command dart sorry I did not save this file. Run again the command, and here we can see the value of the variable a. We can declare more variables using this keyword and store different types of values, like here we can see the value of variable b here. We can use simply var keyword to declare an initialize value in variable, but I will recommend to use explicitly specifying data types, because it helps the Dart compiler understand how to handle and optimize our code. It also helps catch error early on. Let's take another file. In Dart, we have two types of variable that we can use for Dart programming language. There are several types of data type we can use in Dart programming language. For example, integer data type, and here we can see the value of a. We cannot store different types of value in a because we can see the error here. A value of type string can't be assigned to a variable of type integer. So we will get an error if we try to initialize different types of value in this variable. But if we want to reinitialize this variable with integer value, then let's see what happened. And now we can see that we successfully reinitialize the value 20 here inside the variable a. Okay, we can also use double b and we can use string value. We can use boolean type value. Now let's run the code. Here we can see the value of double type variable, string type variable and boolean type variable. In Dart, we have two types of variable that can't be reassigned: final and const variable. We use final when the value of the variable doesn't change but it's determined at runtime, and we use const value when the value is known at compile time. So now let's check these two keywords. If we try to reinitialize it, it will give an error. The error is the final variable a can only be set once. So when we write some coding and we need a fixed value, then we can use this keyword final. There are another keyword called const. Okay, now try to reinitialize it. So you can see that constant variable can't be assigned a value. So for both final and const, we cannot reinitialize it, and we will try to use these two keyword when we will work with fixed value for a variable. In Dart, we also have a dynamic type. When a variable is of type dynamic, it can hold any value and change its type during runtime. It means let's check coding here. we can see the value of variable a, and now let's try to reinitialize it with different type of value, and we can successfully reinitialize it as you can see here. And now let's print both value. We can see that first in this statement we initialize a integer type value in a, and in this line, in this statement, we initialize a string type value in a. Starting from Dart 2.12, Dart supports null safety, which helps avoid null reference exceptions. Variable can be made non-nullable using what sign for nullable types and exclamatory sign for non-nullable types. By making types non-nullable, you ensure that variables can't hold null value unless explicitly specified. Let's check another program. In Dart programming language, we cannot only declare a value, we need to must initialize it when we declare it. For example, if we give a statement like this, as you can see, it will give an error. The non-nullable local variable a must be assigned before it can be used. But if we use here the what sign, then we can print it, but it will print only null value. Let's check it. As you can see, the value of a is null. Okay, we can also use another keyword called let to initialize later a value. Let's check another program. And now you can see the value of a. Okay, that's it for today, but I will recommend everybody to practice more using variable to understand the programming and to understand how the program works. Also, you can check the official website to study the most updated details about Dart programming language, especially variables and other things here. I recommend everybody to study from here. Do not follow only my videos, but also follow the official programming language documentation in here, and also follow others resources to understand and learn and practice in a best way the Dart programming language. That's it for today. Thank you everyone, and happy coding.